AM na. Kakating ko lang din sa exact venue. So, tingnan mo kung sino nandito. Eric. Saan ka? Sama mo?
Dito sa kuhan? Kakating kami din.
Atin?
Ano kasama mo?
Ako lang.
Nga.
Wala. Lakaw-lakaw pag may time. Si Eric, kasama ko yan dati sa sa SM200. So yun si Eric, kasamahan ko dati sa sa SM200. So engineer siya, naka-in-charge sa site. Materials pala. Siya yung naka-in-charge sa materials.
Our 2010 National President. Next up, our 2018 Board of Governors. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing for the doxology.
I hereby declare this 43rd Annual National Convention formally open.
Formally na nag-open ang Annual National Convention just right now.
Former President Joby Manzanazo, our Executive Director, Hermine Tan, he just visiting in the station for a while. We have also honored today to have the President 1991, Ferdinand Dumo, 1995 National President Rodolfo Peñalosa, 2014 National President Alex Rugao,
Board of Governors, kasama din lahat ng chapter president, mga national at saka regional chapters. Nandito rin sila nagsama-sama ngayon. So para sa Annual National Convention na ginaganap ito every year during November, second week ng November or third week ng November.
Thank you, Engineer Ramon. And today we witness another milestone that will be chronicled in the annals of IIEE history. The man behind the success of this convention, none other than the Vice President for Internal Affairs and Convention Director, Engineer Cyril C. Calibho.
our guest speaker, the Vice Chairperson of ABS-CBN Foundation, Ms. Regina Paz Lopez, our National President, Engineer Noel T. Hernandez, fellow national officers, the members of the Board of Governors, the Council of Former National Presidents, to generate optimum output for the IIEE and its members. As I observe from where I am now, I can't help but to throw a simple smile of victory.
So ang speaker na nagsasalita ngayon ay si Cirilio Calibho, yung national, siya yung Vice President for Internal Affairs sa National. So tapos na siya mag-speak, sunod na naman ay bagong speaker.
The members of the Board of Governors, members of the Board of Political Engineering, the Council of Former National Presidents, ladies, auxiliaries, our IIT employees, and our dear fellow IIT members, ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
In the face of powerful opposition, Ms. Regina Paz Lopez of the Philippines was awarded the
Nandyan. So ito yung buong ano ngayon. Ito yung buong function hall ngayon. Sobrang dami ng tao. Almost 6,000 mga members and delegates na umattend ngayon. Ano ngayon, pagpasok mo rito, babasahin yung QR codes mo. Ito. Babasahin yung QR codes mo. Tapos, pag nabasa yung QR codes mo, mag-appear na yung pangalan mo at saka yung mukha mo dito sa screen. Ito. Yan. Pero, pag halimbawa, nabasa na yung QR codes mo, pag nabasa ng QR codes mo, automatic mag-appear yung pangalan mo rito at saka yung mukha mo. Ganyan. Yan ngayon yung bagong trend ng IIA, yung bago nilang ginagamit na pang-attendance. Sana ganito mas maganda. Pero meron pa silang attendance na ginagawa. Meron pa rin silang pinasusulat. Di ko alam kung para saan yung attendance na yun. Ayan, ang next speaker na nakatayo ngayon ay si Miss Gina Lopez ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources sa Environment. Ito siya ngayon nagsalita na.
First, let me start with sharing with you my reflections after 10 months of government. Okay, my number one and increasing reflection is this.
So yan, nasa likod ko ngayon si Gina Lopez. Siya yung speaker, ongoing speaker ngayon. Siguro mayroon siyang mahalagang sasabihin.
That's half a billion. It's when you really care and when you feel for others. Because when you have, even if you have a lot of money, you know, you put it down in the regional. And for them, it's just a job. They won't use the money for it. The key to growth is love, and the key is to have a good change agent. So, actually, I'm not joking. Okay, let's go sweetheart, can you go on the screen? Okay, the Philippines is going to be the 7th fastest economy in the world. We have so much money. We're number 3 after China and Vietnam. Yeah, where does the money come from? OFL. $30 billion. And we're doing it in a country with everything. You know, you take Singapore. Singapore had nothing, barren land. They couldn't have their own food. They couldn't have their own water. And when you invested in Singapore, you know how many tourists they have? It's smaller than Quezon City. It's smaller than Subic. You know how many tourists they have? That's OFW. That's their money. It's their money funding the country. And why do they live like that? On weekends, they sleep on cardboard boxes in Hong Kong. Poverty level. 38. Our fishermen, 41, 39. What are we doing? We're not even producing enough food to feed our country. And so poor. What's that all about? That's why I don't like mining at all. Because what happens in mining? They go there, they ruin the rivers, the streams, the thousands of farmers and fishermen suffer. I'm not saying that. And then we were able to help the farmers, the fishermen, transportation, tourism, other enterprises, massage. We put 1.5 million, 250,000 pesos on roads, the landing equipment, another 800,000 pesos for SIM card. Okay, so because I had a change agent there, kasi kung bibigyan yung pera sa komunidad, gagamitin nila lahat. So what happened with it?
So natapos na ang morning event, yung opening ceremony. So mamayang hapon na naman, ibang event na naman ang gagawin. So nasa likod ko, yan uwihan ng mga tao. So mamayang after lunch, balik na naman kami for another activities. So see you afternoon.
Nakapila ba? Nakapila? Your business card. Ballpen lang ako. Wala ako.
Sold oyster. Tapos ang kaiba nito ay meron siyang ito part na to. Solar control lighting strike counter. Ito na, ang kakaibahan pala ito kasi meron siyang counter. Yan si Gardo. Edgardo, Andaya. Andaya, di ba?
Oo, dating KWF.
Material.
Nakalimutan ko nila Cabrales.
Parang hindi ka nag-macho.
Bakit naman?
Sino pa din yung kamo?
Kala ko gwapo pa din eh.
Isa na rin yun.
Oo, miss ko na yung mga taga-KWF dati.
Yung mga taga-KWM ngayon,
Ah.
dati, kasama ko pa din yung iba.
It was signed already by President Duterte. And last month, I was in Malacanang. We were invited to grace the occasion. Kumbaga, yung napirmahan niya ting ceremonial turnover from President Duterte to... okay na yan.
Oh! Sino to? Sino to? Di naman pag... mga waray. Karapo. Subscribe ako sa YouTube.
Inad ko ito
Sa YouTube pagkano? Si Joka. Joka Bakang. Couple na? Couple UAP. Mga kabasmit. Mga ano namin, mga height namin. Ito topic, urak ng pagmati. Ay, safety, electrical safety. Ay, busy ako sino sa pagkino.
Ako mo na ma-upload din eh. May ma-download na yan.
Hi. Darwin. Oh. Sabi ko, di ba? Nagkatin si Darwin. Darwin. Orsolino. Si Darwin. Sabi nga, JP. Katarman?
Ako na, Pilipiga pa ito.
Lo pinibiga? Parayo man. Ha? Di ka mag-training? No ba? Mag-renew ako nita. sumama ako dito, wala ko rin. License, pati ari. Si Trianis talaga. No? Waray ka?
Ako, patay ka.
Ah,
Ikaw, matikat ka na.
YouTube.
Kailangan mo magtampol.
Nadugangan kami sa'yo. Dugangan kami sa'yo. Marami na korum na, mag-uyag na kin. Nabait yan, ha?
Occupational safety law. I mean, a while ago you mentioned about art flash. The latest, I do specific the latest.
And then, direct from the horse mouth.
Ayos din yan. Anyway, the question is okay, in the all standards, I'm sure you realize Dole has Department Order number 183-17.
Based now the advocacy about safety and any other issues that are being tackled here. So, unsafe country, IEC is coming in. All we need is not to replace, but to harmonize the situation.
Industrial. And Meralco now has about over 6.5 million customers, over 6 million of whom are residential, at around 4.5 per house. We're talking about 28 million people.
The Meralco President and CEO, Mr. Oscar Reyes.
Find out who those awardees are for the LGU City category. Let's watch this video.
Tapos na din ang